Omega and Herine Acheng Ombija. Today we're going to learn how to count 1 to 10 in LUO. Kawono, that means today, what we are going to learn kweno, counting. Achiel, ario, adek, angwen, abich, auchiel, abirio, aboro, ochiko, apar. So it's that easy. That is how to count 1 to 10 in the LUO. Well, let's try and use some of those numbers in the words that we learned last time. Wang, wanga, wang achiel, 1 eye, wenge ario, 2 eyes, uma, nose, my nose, achiel, 1 nose, dog, mouth, doga, doga, my mouth, dog achiel, 1 mouth. So that's how to count 1 to 10 in LUO. You can practice using any other items around you. All you have to do is say the item or whatever it is, the noun, and then the number. So for example, just like I told you before, you can say achiel, 1 nose, book achiel, 1 book. So keep practicing and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. If you've not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. See you. Oriti.